Today, we're unboxing the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 250 Prado, brought to you by Para64 Models. This is a highly detailed 1/64 scale model, crafted with precision and made from durable die-cast material. As we open the box, you'll notice that this model comes in a sleek acrylic case, which sits on a sturdy plastic base. This setup not only protects the model but also makes it perfect for display right out of the box. Check out the plastic base, it even has the model name beautifully printed on it, adding that extra touch of detail to this display piece. This one is in the stunning heritage blue color with white top, and I have to say, I'm always fascinated by the color choices Para64 makes. They really know how to make these models stand out. The model is securely mounted on the plastic base with a screw, keeping it firmly in place for display or transport. Let's go ahead and remove it from the base so we can take a closer look at all the amazing details. Let's talk a bit about the real car. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 250 Prado is the latest iteration of Toyota's legendary off-roader, known for its rugged capability and refined design. It's a vehicle that combines luxury with toughness, making it perfect for both urban environments and the great outdoors. Now, let's move on to the white color. Just like the blue version, this model also comes in a protective acrylic case with a plastic base. The white ice cap color adds a touch of elegance, making it stand out in any collection. From the distinctive front grille to the detailed interior, both of these models perfectly capture the essence of the real vehicle. Let's take a closer look at both of these beautiful 1/64 scale models and appreciate the details that make them standout pieces in any collection. You can buy these beautiful pieces on our website, www.scalearts.in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more unboxing videos like this.